Hi everyone, I'm Hallie. Welcome back to Ledger and Lace. Today I have a little project that I did with Nik The Booksmith's latest digi-kit. It's Memories Gift Mini Photo Album. So I made a mini traveler's notebook with it. So let me show you what I did. So so that's the cover, this is the back, and then this is the spine. Focus. And you get 3 different spine options. So this is the smallest, dinkiest one. And then I put a little bell on there. And then let's go in. So I did two inserts, and I did mini zines. So a mini zine is just one sheet of paper, and you cut it and fold it to make a little mini book. And I have a tutorial on how to do that, so I'll link that down below. But so I did 2. Let me take them out so you can see the inside. You get 4 different kinds of cabinet card images. So I used this one to make little pockets, and then I have some blank ones here that I can put pictures on or turn into tags. And then this is the background, really pretty background end papers that you get. And then there's my little piece of muslin, and I don't know if you can see, let me see if I can show you. I have a little bit of, oh, there you go, a little bit of lace on the end there. And okay, so then the inserts are these. I use my own family photos, actually. So this is my mom when she was a baby, and this is my Auntie Vera. And then family photo, and then this is her favorite Auntie Daisy, who was very fashionable apparently. And oh, and so I printed this onto sort of sturdy parchment paper. So then if I want, I can take a tag and I can make extra, you know, it has extra tuck spots and things like that. So, and on the side, or what I could do is I could glue everything so that, you know, it pulls up from the top. So lots of options. This is a very famous family photo in our family, and I recently made my sister a traveler's notebook with that image. There's my grandmother, and I think that's another one of Auntie Daisy in another hat. There's my mom when she was 16. And then there's my Auntie Vera. And then the other one I just did a blank one. So I can put quotes on here. I can put other pictures, whatever I want. And let me see, I will show you. Let's see. No, I glued this one, but I think I did not glue. Did I? There we go. So you take a piece of paper, you fold it into 8s, and then slice down the middle. But I'll put a tutorial so you can see how you do that. But anyway, so there you go. There's my mini traveler's notebook. Bye.